Hey everyone, today I'll be walking you through how to use Google Tasks on desktop. There are several ways to access it depending on how you like to work, so I'll show you all the main options. These work on Windows, Mac, and Linux. The fastest way to get to Google Tasks is through the sidebar in Gmail or Google Calendar. Open Gmail or Calendar in your browser, then look at the right side for the Tasks icon. If you don't see the side panel at all, click Show Side Panel at the bottom right of the screen. Once the panel opens, click Add a Task at the top, type your task name, and press Enter to save. If you want to add a date and time, click the Date and Time option before saving. You can create multiple lists from the drop-down at the top of the panel by clicking Create New List. Your tasks appear in the sidebar without leaving your inbox, and you'll see checkboxes next to each task to mark them complete. If that sidebar feels cramped, the next option is to use the standalone web version. Open any browser and go to tasks.google.com. Sign in with your Google account if prompted. This gives you a full-screen version of Google Tasks in its own browser tab. From here, you can create lists, add tasks, set due dates, and add notes, just like the sidebar but with more room. Bookmark this page and pin the tab if you want quick access. The full-screen view loads with your task lists displayed in a larger, dedicated interface. If you want Google Tasks to launch like a real desktop app with its own window, you can install it as a progressive web app. Open Chrome or Edge and go to tasks.google.com. Sign in with your Google account. Look at the right side of the address bar for the install icon. In Chrome, it looks like a small monitor with a down arrow. In Edge, it shows an App Available badge. Click that icon, then click Install to confirm. A dedicated window opens, and a launcher shortcut gets added to your Applications folder on Mac or Start menu on Windows. Pin it to your dock or taskbar for quick access. Once installed, Google Tasks launches like any other desktop app in its own window, completely separate from your browser. The fourth option is accessing Google Tasks through Google Calendar's full-screen view. Open Calendar in your browser, then click Tasks at the top right. You'll see your task lists integrated with your calendar events in a single full-screen view. Click Add a Task at the top to create a new one, and set dates and times as needed. To reorder tasks manually, click List Options at the top of your list and select My Order. All these methods sync instantly across your devices. Any task you create or complete on desktop appears immediately on your phone. One thing to note, if you're using the PWA and you work offline, your most recent tasks are cached, but edits made without an internet connection may not sync reliably once you reconnect. If you're using a work or school account and don't see tasks, check with your administrator as they control access. Thanks for watching.